Hello and welcome to our Smart IT tutorial. Today we will be looking at how to do a stock turnover report. The first thing you have to do is click on the stock items and then the stock turnover tab. The stock turnover shows the sales for a certain date range at a per line item level and includes credit notes as well. When you open this form, it is going to open up showing the sales for today only. The first thing you have to do is to change the date at the top here. You can either input the dates manually over here, or you can simply use these shortcuts over here, which gives you a bunch of different options to choose from. For our example today, I am going to select this year so that we have sufficient data to work with. Remember to click on Retrieve Results to display the data. Over here, you can use the drop-down bar to filter out specific employees, stock groups, or branches. Personally, I find it easier to use the search or filter bars over here. So let's go ahead and search for a specific item. I'm going to use the white computer mouse. Now you can see exactly how many mouses were sold, as well as the turnover, cost, and profit for the period selected. You can even take it a step further by editing the GP percentage column. You can add a specific amount like 29.14, or you can insert a smaller as sign. This can help you identify where the item was sold too low. Before going on, remember to clear the filters first. Another handy filter you can use is the customer's name or code. I am going to use John Smith. You can use this filter to be able to see all of the sales for a specific customer. This enables you to see how much the customer is buying from you and how much they are spending. There are numerous other reports you can create, and you can play around with the filters columns to find what works best for your business. Once again, remember to clear the filters. This whole time, we've been looking at information under the Details tab, but as you can see, there are quite a lot of data to take in, and you can basically filter out for every item. To make all of this easier, we can use the analysis over here if we click on this Summary of Data tab. This tab does exactly what the name says. It helps to summarize all of the data to make it easier to look at certain reports. You will note that when entering this tab, we already have a couple of preset reports that you can click on. But you can also make use of the top two rows over here to create your own custom reports. So let's change this up a bit. Let's drag away profit and drag item description in its place. You can see that the results of the report have now changed. Let's also go ahead and replace turnover with quantity. Now you can see exactly how much was sold per month. Another common report that customers often make use of is the turnover, cost, profit, and GP percentage. If you are happy with this report and want to use this blueprint every time, you can save it so that you don't need to redo all of these steps again. You can do this by simply clicking on these three little dots over here. Next, you have to select New Report and give the report a name. We're just going to call it Turnover and GP Percentage Report. All that is left to do is to save report and close. So next time, if you want to use this report again, you can simply click over here and select the relevant report over here. As you can see, there are endless possibilities when it comes to creating your own custom reports. Something that you should take note of is that the Analysis tab contains only the data that is shown on the Details tab. So if you want less info to appear on the Analysis tab, then you can filter out, for example, a specific group like computers under the Details tab to show only the results for that group under the Analysis tab. The opposite is also true. If you don't want only specific results to show, you have to ensure that nothing is filtered out under the Details tab before proceeding. All reports can also be exported to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking over here. There is also a chart button that can display a chart of the data, like this. And you have many different chart options that you can choose from. If you require any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. Our friendly staff is always ready to assist you. And remember, your growth is our priority.